Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a tutorial on Python, numbers and casting. So let us begin with the tutorial. So in today's tutorial, we are going to learn about numeric types in Python. They are int, float and complex. Variables of numeric types are created when you assign a value to them, just like we did in last tutorial. Variables, there is no command in Python where you can create a variable. A variable is created as soon as you assign a value to them. To verify the type of any object, use the type function. So I'm going to show you that in Jupyter Notebook. So I'm going to show you how to open Jupyter Notebook again. You go to the taskbar, type Jupyter, then press open and then wait for it to take you to Jupyter. I'm going to do a new Python. Now we are going to find a type. For example, x a variable is equal to 5. Now we are going to tell it to print brackets type of 5, type of x. It is an integer. 5 is a class int. Next what we are going to see is numerics. Integer or integer is a whole number, positive or negative, without decimals, of unlimited length. I'm going to show you that too. So we can write x is equal to, now if we tell it to print x, it will print the integer. Now float or floating point number is a number, positive or negative, containing one or more decimals. Now we are going to check the float of a number. Now for example, x is equal to 4.5, and now we're going to run this. As you can see, this is a float number which has decimals. Now what we're going to do is complex number. Complex numbers are written with a j as the imaginary part. The value is j, the root of -1. As root of -1 cannot be determined, j is an imaginary number. So let's write, and we are going to write, for example, a as our variable. A is equal to 3j. Now we are going to tell it to print a, and we'll give run. It's going to tell 3j. That's the complex number. Now what we are going to do is type conversion. You can convert from one type to another with the integer, float and complex methods. Note, you cannot convert complex numbers into any other number type. So I'm going to show that to you in the code. Now for example, x is equal to 2, 3. Okay, now we're going to put 2, 3 into brackets. Wait, first we're going to delete 2, 3. Now we're going to go inside the brackets and put 23. And outside the brackets we are going to put str, that is string. Now we'll tell it to print. We're going to tell it to print x. Now if we run the code, it will give it as 23 as a string, confirmed as a string. Next what we are going to do is x equals to int, and now we are going to write a float number, that is 2.3. Okay, now we are going to run it. It has given. Now wait, we are going to do that again. This time we are going to ask it to print Now we're gonna ask it to print it also. 2.3, enter, print x. Now if we run this code, it will give 2 as it has removed the decimal point from integers. Next, what we're going to see. Now wait. We are going to try to convert a complex number into an integer. Let's try it out if it works. It won't work because I had already told you in the note. Now int 3j. Now we're going to close the brackets and now we're going to press enter and print x. That's gonna run, and as you see, it is an error. You can't convert complex into integer, exactly as I told. Next, random number. Python does not have a random function to make a random number, but has an inbuilt module that called random to use random numbers. Now Python casting, specify a variable type. There may be times when you want to specify a type onto a variable. This can be done with casting. Python is an object-oriented language and as such it uses class to define data types including its primitive types. So this is how you specify a type onto a variable. Now, int constructs an integer number from an integer literal and a float literal by rounding up to the previous whole number, or a string literal providing the string represents a whole number. Float constructs a float number from an integer literal or a float literal or a string literal providing a string represents a float or an integer. String constructs a string from wide variety of data types including strings, integer literals and float literals. As I had shown you before, I had shown you casting also. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.